冇書讀咁啊！我交全費喺學校，你1個鐘頭嚟返學。嗱，因為當日我仔做咗啲好令人震驚嘅行為，就係佢將14位同學嘅書包劈晒喺地下度，10幾個細路哥坐喺度喊，而我仔係好似唔關佢事，佢坐喺度啜手指，因為佢掟完之後好開心，佢口埋一邊啜手指。我入到去嘅時候，我俾個主任當住14個小朋友鬧得我好犀利，我要趕我隻手。
These children may not be identified easily from the appearance, so that when they have, show some problematic behaviors in the public, the parents usually will be misunderstood. Parents in Hong Kong and China, they usually see the future of the children. They worry about their career development, they worry about their future education, and it seems that these sources pose a greater stress to the parents in Hong Kong.
我奶奶成日都話我㗎，你都做錯咩事啫？生啲咁嘅仔，我就同我冇錯，我冇錯。經過咁多年嘅努力，其實我將我仔整個人生係扭轉咗。咁去到今日，佢係做翻個普通人，佢有嘅朋友，有佢嘅興趣。
成日都講自閉症個閉字，其實就個門字加個財。我哋如果能夠揾到一個合適嘅鎖匙，將呢一道門打開，佢絕對有才能。